Let's review the jerk stuffed pasta using Divine Cuisine's jerk rub, jerk sauce, and sugar spice.
Yeah, so I'm getting ready to make this jerk ground beef using Divine Cuisine's jerk rub, and we're going to use a little bit of Divine Cuisine's jerk sauce. I'm going to go ahead and break up the ground beef for these stuffed shells using grass-fed, 100% all-natural grass-fed ground beef. Now we're going to get ready to season the meat. So we have salt, sweet seasoning, seasoned pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, green seasoning. You can get that recipe at divinecuisine.com. Some tomato sauce. And this is my own. I'll have the recipe also because I have a little bit of chili in it. But you can use tomato paste. A couple tablespoons, well, teaspoons rather, of the jerk rub, jerk seasoning. Jerk sauce is a little sweeter. We're gonna have it spicy, but this has a little bit of tamarind in it. So we're gonna put some of that in that. And then we're gonna just let all these flavors come together. Give it that extra oomph. So we're gonna let this cook for 2 or 3 minutes till it's all the way cooked inside, and then we're gonna go on and make the sauce for our stuffed shells. Yeah, so we getting ready to make our jerk sauce that's going with our stuffed shells. So we got some colored peppers here, red onion, butter. And I had it on high heat, so I turned it down to medium high, or like medium low, because we just want these to kind of saute a little bit in the oil and the butter. And then we're going to season our peppers. So we have seasoned pepper, a little bit of salt, Divine Cuisine sugar spice. You can use that sugar spice. This is going to give it a little bit of sweetness to kind of counteract some of the spiciness that we have with the jerk. A little bit of garlic powder, onion powder. We got one more stir. Our spinach in here. Let that wilt down a little bit. So we have coconut milk. Put the whole can of coconut milk in there. And then we have, I want to turn this back up to like medium-high heat. We have heavy cream. And some more butter. And I'm gonna let this, and we put a little bit of, just a tiny bit of red pepper flakes in there. Jerk seasoning, just 1 teaspoon. We're gonna stir all this in. We want this to thicken up, and we're gonna have some cheese. Italian blend cheese, and mozzarella. This is gonna be our sauce for our jerk stuffed shells. Yeah, so we got our jerk ground beef that we made using Divine Cuisine's jerk rub and jerk sauce. And then we have our cream sauce that we made to go with our stuffed jerk shells, which we used all 3 of them, our Divine Cuisine sugar spice, our jerk seasoning, and our jerk sauce. So now I'm gonna get ready to assemble everything. So I'm gonna take some of that sauce, and we're gonna put it at the bottom of the dish. take some of the jerk ground beef that we made, that I had made, and we're gonna stuff it with that. And then we're just gonna lay them in here, like so. And this is a quick and easy recipe, one pot recipe your family love. You can stuff them, you can put more stuff in it. You could have stuffed it with the peppers. I just put it in the sauce, but you could have did that way with the stuffed, all the stuff in the pepper, but it's gonna be in the sauce anyways. I have seen people do that. You can do this if you don't do beef. You can do it with chicken, or you know, jerk the chicken, or you could do it with turkey, ground turkey, lamb. So you can do it all different types of meats, you know. So it looks like this when it's all done and finished. You can see they're all stuffed. We're gonna take our sauce and we're gonna pour our sauce on top of our stuffed shells, like so. The two cheeses that I'm using is the Italian cheese blend and mozzarella. Italian cheese blend, put that on there. I'm gonna take the mozzarella. We're gonna put that on there. And then it'll be like that. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this on 325 for about 15 minutes and let everything just melt together. I'm gonna put a little greenery on it. And there we have our jerk stuffed shells. So I'm gonna get ready to go. Hey y'all, so we're getting ready to dig into these jerk stuffed pasta. It was so easy. We used the jerk sauce, the jerk seasoning or jerk rub, and the Divine Cuisine sugar spice. All these were in there. You've seen how easy I put that together with the sauce, the jerk ground beef, and so now it's time for, drum roll please, the taste. So go in. Lord have mercy. Oh my God. Yes, Jesus. It's so good. So, let me tell you about it. So that sauce is spicy. You got to pick the jerk rub. That ground beef with that jerk seasoning in it, the jerk spice, and then you have the sauce, the jerk sauce that I made, the cream sauce to go with the jerk shells. Perfect amount of cheese. I mean, it's easy. This is another way you can use Divine Cuisine's products. You see how my products are very versatile. 1, 2, 3 steps. It elevates your food. This is a must make. Your kids will like it. You can, you know, tamper the heat however you want it. But it's easy, it's good, it's delicious. Get that recipe at divinecuisine.com. Love y'all, Chef Shay.